Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. If you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, the natural gas is trading at a level of $3.2980. Okay. And if you look at the continuous chart, what we have seen that the price has not gone above a level of $3.6. Okay. And this is the level we have seen. And if the price started sustaining this particular level, a level of around 3.2, which is already above this particular level, we can see it can cross a level of 3.5, and once started crossing a level of 3.6, then there will be a zone breakout. Further upside we can see. Okay. And there is a gap which we can see at a level of 4.1 to a level of 4.35. So chances can be high this gap can be filled. So you have to understand there is a higher probability that this gap can be filled. But if the price started sustaining above a level of 3.95, then chances of sustaining this level will be on a higher side. Okay. If you look at this particular trend, what we can see this is the zone. You have to look at the pattern how the price of natural gas is moving. See, price of natural gas after the lockdown, we have seen there is a continuous upside, but how it is moving, it was moving whenever it is making a new high, a fall is coming. Okay, those who are trading in EFTs, you have to understand when the price of the natural gas goes high, and there is a higher chances that if the price keep sustaining above a level of 3.2, we can see there will be an upside. So we can see that the price of EFT, suppose the price is going higher, so we can see the EFT supporting this higher trend. We can see there will be higher chances of going upside, but as soon as the price started going down, we can see the price can fall. Okay, the EFT price can fall, the other opposite price. Okay, but suppose if the price sustain this level, and chances will be high, and as soon as the price started going above level of 3.6, a further upside we can see. Okay, now if you look at the dollar index, but before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, a level of 3.2, we can see a bounce back can come from this particular level, but if once started falling, we can see a further fall. Now coming back on the dollar index, what we can see, as I've already explained you that the dollar index once started sustaining above 102, we can see there will be an upside, and it has gone to a level of 104.5 and then to a level of 108. That is a high we have seen. So now after making a half round 108, there is a fall in the price of dollar index, and once started falling below a level of 105.5, there is a chances that it can touch a level of 104.8, and from there a further fall we can see towards $103.5, and from there a further fall we can see towards 102. Okay, so if the price now chances are high, once started falling below 105.5, then only we can see there will be a fall. But if the price keep moving above a level of around 107, then a further upside movement we can see, and then there is a higher chances of going towards 108. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see towards a level of around 109.3, and then a further high. Okay, so understand when the dollar index, see when the dollar index prices started going upside, we will see the natural gas price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar started going down, we will see the natural gas price will come up. Okay, so you have to understand as soon as the price started hitting below 105.5, a further fall we can see, and as soon as the price started going above a level of around 107, a further upside we can see. Coming back on the natural gas price, what we can see. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go again towards a level of around $3.4608. Okay, and from there it will go towards a level of around $3.68. Okay, and if the price moving above that particular level, we can see this is the high of this zone, so chances of crossing that level we can see, and from there a level of 3.95 we can see. Suppose if the price sustaining above a level of 3.95, we can see the price can go towards a level of around 4.1 after crossing a level of $3.95. Okay, and then from there a level of $4.35. Chances will be very high that this is the level. If the price moving above this level, a further upside we can see, and if the price moving above that particular level, we can see it will go towards a level of $3.75 if the price started going above a level of $4.35. Okay, You have to understand, because 3.6 is a level which we have seen since Jan of 2023. So chances will be high this gap can be filled after crossing a level of $3.9 if the price started going above 3.6. Okay, so you have to understand, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see a level of $3.4, and from there a level of around 3.49, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards 3.56. Okay, and once the price started going above that level, we can see, and then we can see it will cross this level, and chances of touching a level of 3.90 will be there, and from there a level of $4.1. Okay, so once the price sustain above 4.1, we can see this gap can be filled at a level of 4.35, and then a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $5, 5.1, and then a further upside. So you have to understand, if the price started sustaining over 4.35, chances of touching 4.5, and then to a level of 4.6, and then further high we can see. But as I've already explained you, market is uncertain. So if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, understand a level of $3.2191 is a strong support. So we can see a bounce back can come from this particular level. Okay, and suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $3. Okay, and once the price moving below that $3, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $2.73, and once the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 2.57 will be there. Okay, and if the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching 2.47 will be there, and this is the level. So a bounce back can come from this particular level, because this will be the price if started going, it will moving in this zone. So if as soon as the price started going below a level of 2.47, we can see it will come down towards a level of around $2, 2.027. Keeping that in mind, that as soon as the price started going below 2.4, chances will be very high it will cross a level of 2.047, and from there it will go towards $1.9016, and then there will be a zone breakout. So further downfall we can see towards a level of 1.8. So you have to understand, if the price started falling below 2.4, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if new to my channel, please subscribe.